Peppa Pig.
Welcome to the World of Peppa Pig. Can you help Peppa guess the shapes? Whole family love going for a swim in the pool. Let's see who can swim a length of the pool the fastest. Lots of people can play this game. Pick your favourite character by dragging them into one of the circles. Touch the tick when everyone is ready.
Team boys.
Tap your character in the circle as quickly as you can to make them swim fast. Ready, steady, go!
I'm going to tap all four. I'm tapping all four at the exact same time.
You've won a sticker. George wins the race.
But how? I tapped all at the same time. That's a bit
Peppa and George love splashing in the pool.
Let's play again.
The whole family Lots of people can play this game.
Peppa
Pick your favourite
versus
character
George.
by dragging them into one of... Tap your character in the circle as quickly as you can to make them swim fast. Ready, steady, go!
Try Peppa and George at the same time.
You've won a sticker.
George wins
wins the
but
race.
I tapped them on the exact same time.
Pedro Pony's cast. Peppa and her friends are at playgroup. But where is Pedro? Pedro is at the hospital and Peppa's class is going to visit. Pedro is here because he hurt his leg. The doctor has put a cast on his leg to help him get better. When Pedro's leg is healed, the cast comes off and he is ready to play again. Hide and seek. Peppa and George are playing hide and seek. It is George's turn to hide. There he is. George is easy to find. Now it is Peppa's turn to hide. George looks under the table. Peppa is not there. George looks behind the curtain. Peppa is not there. Where could she be? George looks in the toy basket. There she is. Well done, George. Can you help Peppa in the kitchen? Touch the ingredients to add them to the bowl. Egg, flour, sugar, butter. Move the spoon to stir the cake mixture. Choose a baking tray. Touch the tray to pour in some mixture. Well done. That needs to go in the oven now to bake. Touch the sieve to sieve the... That's it. Touch the jug to pour in some water. Choose a colour for the icing. White. Move the spoon to mix the icing. That looks yummy. Touch a cake to ice it. Now let's add some decorations. What lovely cakes! Help Peppa make the invitations for her party. Choose a background for the invitation. Choose a background for your invitation from the sheets on the top. Put some stickers on your invitation. You can make the stickers bigger or smaller by pinching or stretching them with your fingers. Choose some writing for your invitation. Come to Peppa's party. Do you want to save this invitation for another time? Make sure you put a stamp on each envelope. Hooray! That's all the invitations in the post. Here comes Mr. Zebra to empty the post box. Can you help Peppa to make some party bags? Choose a party bag. Decorate your party bag with some stickers. Touch the tick box when you have finished. Now choose some goodies to put in your party bag. Touch the tick box when you have finished. Well done. Let's look at the scrapbook for Peppa's party. Turn the pages to see more. What lovely pictures! What lovely pictures! Are you sure?